So, what, you start? You good?
Yeah,
all right.
I'm good.
Hey, Josh over here at CFT Performance and everything. I got David Trent with me. Super awesome Nissan tech. You probably see him on the forums. Wanted to talk today. I got even Mark Hosna with me today. He's recording for us. We got to do XD bypass kit from Amsoil, right?
Yep.
You pretty much did all the work, and I sat back and drank all the beer, right?
That's pretty much right.
Got to give a big shout out to Josh Childers and everything, as you know, he gave me a good old display. I don't want to say he gave it to me because I kind of paid dearly for it, but I want to kind of show you a show on how I put mine in and kind of give you a basic install, general ideas, so use it for some, install videos and so forth. Maybe Josh could come talk more about the product and everything. I don't know. You know what? He's kind of overstimulated right now. Let's talk about how this all installs. So, Dave, help me out here. Let's see. What do you end up doing here?
I ended up putting the oil filter adapter on, provided through 1320 Synthetics, Josh Childers. Basically, comes with an O-ring. The system through Josh is going to come black. Put the O-ring on, take your oil filter off, put the adapter on, put the fitting in. We ran the lines, cut the lines basically to fit for your system. It's always recommended when putting these fittings on, lubricate the fittings going into the hoses. Route your system. There's a template that comes with the kit that you can mount onto your frame. You center punch your holes.
Just like that.
And then
vinyl, so you can stick it right on there.
after you center punch your holes, you can go ahead and drill them. Once you get that mounted, get your line fitted. Your line coming out of the adapter going in to the bypass system. Then you can take your line going out, route it up. We routed it up along.
We can go ahead and lower this on down.
One of the hard metal lines.
Outside. Drop this on down. We need some elevator music right now, I guess. Yeah. So takes a second, but she comes down. Case and Coatings did all of our powder coating. Yeah, we did ours in green because, you know, CFT green, it's a hot new thing, so it's easy to do. So if you ever want one of these kits all done up and done them in green and so forth, let me know. Or any other color for that matter. We got 5,000 different colors you can do it in.
Basically, routed the hose up, kind of zip tied it, pulled it out of the way, make sure it wasn't going to hit any part of the belt or the fan. Get your oil cap on with your fitting. Put your other fitting on that end of the hose. It's pretty simple, straightforward, easy setup. Other than that, it's, you know, green zip ties, or, you know, if you want to buy them, use any color, black, purple, I don't care.
Guaranteed an extra 20-30 horsepower, right? About there, maybe?
About there.
And 50,000 mile oil changes.
Right.
So we're all set on it. I mean, just gotta prime all your oil filters beforehand, put oil in it, whatever you're choosing, if you're gonna use the Amsoil or not. The kits are awesome. I mean, I've used these kits in the past for many years, so they're great kits. I really recommend them, especially if you're doing a lot of long highway drives and so forth like that. They really do pay for themselves in the long run, all day long. I'm happy to meet up with Josh and get this all going. I got a couple more to install here coming up soon, and get with him over at
1320 Synthetics.
Yep, there it is, right there. So thank you very much. Have a great day.